In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace name on Asana quickly and efficiently. Whether you're rebranding, restructuring, or just want a fresh start, updating your workspace name can be an important detail in keeping your Asana experience organized and in line with your current needs. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure you understand everything you need to get this done in just a few minutes. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to asana.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. It's important to make sure you're entering the correct username and password associated with your account so you can access the appropriate content and settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is a powerful tool for accessing personal and administrative settings, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with the other options later. For now, let's focus on our goal. If you're an admin of the workspace, you'll need to select the admin console. However, if you're not an admin, look for the settings option instead. The option you see will depend on your level of access and permissions within the workspace. Being an admin gives you more control over workspace configurations, which includes changing the workspace name. Next, within the admin console, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. From here, you're going to want to select Settings. This area is home to a variety of customization tools for your workspace, helping you to tailor it to fit your team's workflow preferences. In the Settings section, keep an eye out for the workspace name field. This might take a moment to locate if you're unfamiliar with the layout, but it should be clearly labeled. When you've found the workspace name field, click on it. You'll then be able to type in your new desired workspace name. Take a moment here to ensure that what you're typing is accurate and reflects what you're aiming for. Once you're satisfied with the new name, press enter, or if prompted, click on Save Changes to confirm the update. Finally, to ensure that all your changes have been properly applied, refresh your page. This simple step often helps in making sure everything is updated and working as intended. You should see your new workspace name appear as soon as the page reloads, which confirms that the change has been successfully implemented. And there you have it. You've just updated your workspace name on Asana in a few straightforward steps. This small change can have a significant impact on how you and your teammates interact with your work and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks to get the most out of your digital tools.